Coming home after a hard day's work, hindi ba't parang napakasarap umuwi nang may nakahanda ng mainit na hapunan? Pero paano kung mag-isa ka lang sa bahay o kaya naman sobrang pagod ka na at wala ka ng energy para magluto? That's when you'll need the trusty microwave oven to easily help you with whatever you are craving. So let me introduce you to the Whirlpool's line of microwave oven. Ranging in different sizes from 20 liters to 30 liters, it's also available in different models to fit your lifestyle. Kaya naman siguradong may Whirlpool microwave na perfect para sa inyo. Meron itong pre-programmed controls para naman mas madali mo nang lutuin ang mga paborito mong pagkain, taking away the hassle of guessing the time and power needed for a certain dish. At buti na lang, meron itong specially designed smart bowl para di mo na rin kailangan mag-worry kung microwave safe ba ang paglulutuan mo. Whirlpool's line of microwave ovens come with models that are equipped with a quartz grill para pwede ka nang mag-ihaw ng walang usok. This type of grill is fast and efficient since it uses less energy but heats up faster and reaches a higher temperature compared to the traditional infrared grill. Here we have Whirlpool stainless steel microwave oven. Siguradong matibay, bukod sa anti-fingerprint, body, and door, pagbukas natin ng pinto ay makikita ang stainless steel cavity nito, giving you a sleek and durable design inside and out. At dahil rust-proof, pwede rin ito for both home and commercial use. This 25-liter model is equipped with a quartz grill and auto-cook function with 9 preset menus, kaya naman madali ka nang makakapagluto ng kahit anong putahe. Whirlpool's line of microwave ovens has a child lock feature, keeping your kids safe inside the kitchen. Aside from being able to easily defrost and reheat food, pwede mo din gamitin both the microwave function and grill function ng sabay with its combination cooking 3-in-1 function. This product from Whirlpool has 2 years warranty on both parts and magnetron, plus 1-year warranty on service, with over 100 service centers nationwide ready to serve you. Kaya naman bumisita na sa kahit saang leading appliance stores nationwide to know more about this and other Whirlpool products. Pwede nyo rin bisitahin ang aming website, that's www.whirlpool.com.ph. Huwag kalimutang i-like us on Facebook, that's Whirlpool Philippines. Whirlpool, the #1 appliance brand in the world.
This portion was brought to you by Whirlpool, the #1 appliance brand in the world.